Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandonAirPhotos.com. In this episode, I'll show you some raw footage from the Autel Evo and Parrot Anafi. How well do these flying cameras work? Watch and find out. Before we get started, this episode is part of an entire series of videos designed to make you a better, safer drone pilot. If you want to learn about drone flying, take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Just click the little cartoon Jeff on screen right now to subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I post again. Right now I'm preparing a first look video on the Autel Evo and the Parrot Anafi. While those are in the works, I thought I'd post some unedited video clips taken by both drones for you to look at. These clips were taken in full auto settings. Overlooking the tilted horizon in the Evo footage, which we all know about and we hope will be corrected soon, I'm interested in hearing your opinions on how the two camera systems compare. Post your thoughts in the comments below. Here we go. So there's a couple of minutes of video from the Evo and the Anafi. Of course, with a little editing, the footage from each drone looks very nice, as you can see here. I'm not going to tell you what I think about the raw footage. Not right now, anyway. I will put out first look videos on each drone soon, and I'll share my thoughts then. But what did you think? Post your opinions in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe so you'll know when the reviews for the Autel Evo and Parrot Anafi are posted, along with tutorials, news announcements, and other videos about these drones, Mavic Pro and Mavic Air, Unique Typhoon H, Phantom 4 Pro, and more. Thanks for watching. Until my next episode, fly smart, fly safe, have fun.